So today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to say what is your name. What is your name in Bisaya? Okay? In Bisaya, what is your name is unsa imong pangalan. Unsa imong pangalan. What is unsa? Unsa.
Your is imong. Imong.
Name is pangalan. Pangalan. What is your name? Unsa imong pangalan? Okay, repeat after me. Unsa imong pangalan? Unsa imong pangalan? Okay, very easy. See, Bisaya is very easy, guys. Okay, now I'll see you next Friday, guys, for another short video lesson. If you cannot wait for Friday, you can go to my site, subscribe to the members access plan in order to watch all my short video lesson and to access the rest of the long lesson as well. At the same time, you're showing your support to me there. Okay, I'll see you next Friday. Bye for now.